Takže v prvom rade ďakujem všetkým za prianie a za to, že vám ďakujem, som si pripravil dneska pesničku, ktorá sa hodí do dnešného dňa. Určite. Každopádne. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone all the dark clouds that made me blind. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. And here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Ďakujem veľmi pekne ešte raz a užívajte dnešného dníka.